Okay, here's our newest addition to the fleet. It is a 2001 Ford van E350 Super Duty, 7.3 diesel automatic, stock number 7881. It's got a bad motor, and it's hit down the right side. Damage all over it, really. Got the right side door, right side mirror, couple of headlights, grill, hood. Right side mark, got a fender. This here door is only got a door glass. Mirror's no good. It's got a handle. Inside, outside, black. Manual. Regulator.
ABC News Now. I'm Maggie Ruley. The Trump administration is now pulling out of an agreement that limits how long migrant children.
Lower it down a little bit. Okay. It's got 217, 391 on the diesel motor. Regular air condition. AM, FM, plain Jane, works as you heard it. Good windshield. Visors, got a right side seat in vinyl, manual with the armrest. Left side just got the manual regulator. Rear is there, 355s, single wheel rear, full floater. 16-inch steel wheels, 8 lug. Got a left side tail light. A few scratches here and there. Rear bumper's no good. 2 door glasses. They're stationary, 4 bolt, regular tint. Right side tail light's broke. And the quarter slider is no good. Right side door, not bad. Few dings here and there. Basically that's it on this gem. Diesel motor's no good. Does got a remanufactured automatic, which has been verified that it is. And that's it. Turbo diesel motor, power stroke, as you can see right there. Power stroke diesel. Okay, need any parts to this antique relic, you can give us a call at 631-286-5500. You can ask for Mo, Larry, or Curly. If not, you want to get us on the internet at allamericanautorecords.com. By the way, it is a commercial van with a it's got the AC unit inside, and it seems to work. So if you need anything, or you need that AC unit, you want to put it on your van, give us a call. Okay, take care. It's hot as hell. Gotta go.